Today you join me in the pretty village of Elswick, a place that quite frankly wouldn't look out of place on the back of a postcard. We've got not one but two incredible and highly regarded country pubs. We've got a beautiful tea room with a farm shop just over the way. We've got parks, playgrounds, incredible architecture all around, not to mention more fantastic country walks than you can shake a tail at. Now we're here to see number 7 Ash Road, a superb 3-bedroom detached property. Now this home has been refurbished and redecorated throughout in recent years, and it's offered to the market with no onward chain delay. So if you're looking for an affordable, family-friendly property in this fantastic location, come with me as we take a closer look. Now on the ground floor, the entrance hallway takes you into the principal family lounge, which faces the front elevation of the home. Large sash-style windows give you a view into the gardens to the front. Beyond the family lounge, we've got the kitchen, which has got all the integral appliances that you'll need, and it's been finished to a good contemporary standard. The family kitchen flows into a conservatory space, which could be a fantastic formal dining arrangement, but it could also be a great reading room and the perfect spot to nestle down with your favourite podcast at the end of a long day. Upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom faces the front aspect of the property, and it's got the added benefit of being served by a private ensuite facility, complete with a walk-in shower. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 are all served by a principal family bathroom suite, which again can be accessed from the first floor landing. The conservatory has got sliding doors going into private, low-maintenance gardens to the rear. So then, what did you think of Ash Road? Absolutely everything that needed to be done to this home has been done in recent years. So the only thing that you need to do is collect your keys and bring your toothbrush. Now, one thing that I do need to mention is that this property has also got the added benefit of a detached garage outside. Now, of course, this would make additional safe and secure off-road parking. It could be a great storage unit, but I think this has got fantastic potential to be converted into a home gym, maybe a garden office or a playroom. So with so much more potential yet to fulfill, if you're looking for your next property, then why not consider coming and giving this home a look? If you're interested in discussing, then please give me a call on the details that follow, and of course, I'd be more than happy to help. My name's Ben, thank you for watching.